Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can fix repost option not showing on TikTok. In order to fix this kind of issue, first thing first, open up your TikTok application. So once you open up your TikTok application, this is how the interface is going to look like. So once you're on this page, click on the share icon located right in the corner, and after that you'll be able to see this option as repost right over here. So as you can see right on top, you have this kind of feature that is repost. Just tap on it and then you've reposted this particular post. So if you're unable to see this kind of icon, then what you need to do is, in order to fix it, first reason might be that the owner might have not enabled these features. So if you're unable to see this kind of feature such as right over here, it indicates that the user might have not enabled repost option. Case will not be able to do anything. The only alternative would be to download this particular video, and after that you can just add it to your post. So apart from that, if you're able to see the repost option in your friend's mobile phone for the same video but you're not able to see the repost option on your phone, then what you can do is you can check for an update. For that, go to your Play Store and then on the search box type in TikTok and check whether you have updated your application or not. If you have updated just like mine, then tap on the update button and updating your application might be able to fix the issue. Apart from updating your application, if you're still unable to fix it, the repost feature might not be available in some part of the country. So which means that this particular feature is only available to some part of the country, and that might be the reason why you're unable to see the repost. But for that case as well, you'll not be able to do anything apart from downloading the video and then uploading it to your. You can also try restarting your device, reinstalling your application, and this might be able to fix the issue. So those were the steps on how you can fix repost option not showing on TikTok. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.